Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tony. I did want to make a really quick TA on Bitcoin since it did break trend back on November 6th, yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so we can get rid of this. The bullish channel got broken. We actually went to the upside, and as of right now, I do think we are headed back to previous resistance of 63.6 right around here. Um, we're more than likely going to be closing a bullish day too. So you see the little red dot right here, and you actually have the blue MA closing above the red MA. So it does look like you're going to keep pushing pretty hard to the upside, right? You have all this wiggle room right here on the stochastic, and you are closing under right here. So you're closing under the zero mark on the reverse MACD. So I'm pretty positive that we're headed back to 63.6, and we're going to stay within this new uh, bullish channel for now. But I think for the most part, it's like I'm like 100% sure we're going back here. So just a quick TA. I am still extremely bullish on Bitcoin. We are on the second month. We actually closed October bullish, and I still think I'm basically weighing in every single what do you call? I'm basically weighing in every single entry as more bullish than anything else because right now on the month we did close bullish, so we did start that bull cycle. Keep in mind though, the good thing is right back here on the weekly, we are starting to see weak signs of a bear close on the weekly. Last time this happened, we actually dropped from 53 all the way down to 40K, so about $13,000. I don't think that's going to happen anymore because all we've been doing right now, for this weekend, bull closes, the week bull closes, since October 18th, like mid October, you've really been trading up, right? You've really only been trading up. So I don't really see a huge fall. If we do end up closing a bear week, I can definitely see us run up to maybe 66, like 66, like 5, and then we probably go down. I don't think it'll happen right now. I gotta wait and see how big the bull pushes are. Because if we do end up rallying one more time on Bitcoin, I do think it'll cancel out the weekly close, and I do think we'll create a brand new, fresh bull week. And I know that sounds a bit confusing to everybody, but it's just try to bear with me. But yeah, I'm 100% bullish. I'm basically weighing in every single entry as more bullish than anything else, and I think we're gonna keep rallying up. I do see us going back to 63.6 pretty soon, possibly today or tomorrow. And then this week, I think as long as we stay within this bull channel, we are minimum gonna see a $66,000 Bitcoin by minimum. I say, let me see, let me put this over here. So like right around there. So minimum, I say we can see a 66K Bitcoin again by November 10th, which would be Wednesday, around maybe, sometime in the morning, maybe afternoon or so. But I think latest, as long as we stay within this channel, we do not break we do not break this bull channel to the right side. Minimum, or we'll see, Bitcoin back at 66K by November 10th. It's really that simple. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.